Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to go live on TikTok without 1,000 followers. To get live on TikTok, you'll need to have at least 100 or 1,000 followers and also be above the age of majority in your country. The United States and Canada, that is 18. In South Korea, Japan, and much of Europe, that is 16. If you want to send or receive gifts while you're live, you'll need to be at least 18 years old. If you don't have at least 1,000 followers or are under the age of majority, you will not see the live feature within your account. And if you're at least 16 years old but don't have 1,000 followers, you can send a support ticket to TikTok to request the live feature. While this won't guarantee you'll be able to go live, it will increase your chances. Alright, on your phone in the TikTok app, simply tap the profile at the bottom, tap the menu button at the top, and then select Settings and Privacy. Tap Report a Problem. Now once you're in there, just go ahead and select Live Payments and Rewards. After that, tap on I can't start a live. Alright, once done, tap on No if asked if the problem is resolved. And after that, simply tap Need More Help. Alright, from there, you should be able to request help and it should look like this. Alright. What you're going to want to type there, like for example, topic right here. If you are using on PC or using a browser, just go to this URL, tiktok.com/legal/report/feedback. All right. For the bug feature request, category is other. Then email, just provide your email right here. Your username, it is optional. So go ahead and put your username right here for higher chances of getting the live feature. All right, additional details. So what you're going to want to type here is simply hello, good day. I need help accessing the TikTok live feature. Could you please enable it on my account? Question mark. And in the end, say thank you. All right. After that, if you want to send some attachments, just go ahead and send your TikTok account's screenshots. Just don't send your personal information. All right. Just once done, just go ahead and tick on both of these tick boxes right here and hit on submit. All right. Make sure to follow these simple prompt right here and copy this on your phone for the request as well. And after that, you can find the submit button at the bottom of the TikTok app on your phone as well. Just go ahead and click on submit and simply wait for about 48 to 72 hours for TikTok support to reply to you. All right. Just make sure to have a look on this email that you have written in here because they will reply on that particular email. All right. And good luck. And I hope this video helps, and please don't forget to share this video to your friends. And if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.